Hi dear all, today we will discuss about Python and BS code, Visual Studio Code integration. This is the second topic after the introduction of Python. So how to install the Python and how to install the BS code and how um to add the extension of Python once inside the Visual Studio. So let's start with this session. So before going to a discussion, please like and subscribe to these channels. So how to install this Python? So download Python from the Python. This is a site. Here go download the Python for the window aspect. So this is have a window aspect, so you can, if you want to Linux, Mac, Android, other, so you can do that. But we want to install Python in window because of this is have our window operating system. So 3.14. So this installer you can click here. So this will download it, and once this is downloaded, so you can go inside the download section. This is downloaded. If you click on that, so it will start the process of. So how to start this process? Once you have downloaded Python 3 version, install. During the installation, you can add the path. Path means, suppose this is have this Python. You want to install admin privilege and this, and you can choose this customization. So all these things you can go the next. You want to set the path. Here you can set the path. So this path, basis of this path you can install. So because of I will not install, we have already installed this Python. So I am not going to install this because we have already installed. So I will show you CMD. So this is our Python version. Suppose I want to verify. So we can verify use to this command Python version. So copy, and here you can paste. This is not going here, and if I want to use this, so you can see now this is our Python version. We have installed 3.13.5. This is our Python version. You want to like that print anything else? This is print here. Not print because of here need to give the print function, and hello world. So then it will print here hello world. So this is our verification part is completed. Now we can install the VS Code. You just go on the Visual Studio and download this. Similar way you can follow. This is instructions already given that. So according these instructions you can install this Visual Studio because we have already installed this Visual Studio. So our side we have now, and if you want to back here, so install the normally and install the Python extension. So Python extension we can open Control Shift X. Here already have this extension. If I can close that, so here you want to write a Python inside the Python extension. So this is our debugger, which like that extension you want to install. So Python extension already have installed. This is already have installed. This is the plugin. We have already installed all these things. We have installed. If any other Python extension you know to popular Visual Studio, these things you want to do that, so you can install. So this is already have installed. Create your first project. So create your first project means we have created this Python code. So now suppose we want to close this, and again we want to go the Visual Studio. Here how you will get, here go to this folder name. We have created this folder, and this is our Python code. So this is already have here. Here you can make, here you can add the file folder or file. Suppose you want to add the folder basic, you can add here, and here you can write a project. So basic requirement we can write here, and here we can, I am just removing that. So this is our test.spy, how to create. Suppose you can here create a testing.py. So this will create, and if you want to generate the code, so what here we have now, so you can generate code, write a code for addition and subtraction of two numbers. So if you can give this command, so this is have written here. This is our addition and subtraction. You want to write a manually, so you can write a manually. For example, you want to run this file. So here your testing file is compiled and executed, but the reason behind that, if you want to print add and the subtract, so this output will get here. If you want to run that, means addition is coming 8 and subtraction is coming 2. So this is our part of installation and verifying to this Python and Visual Studio. So this is part of installation. So this is useful extension. You want to add the Python balance and Jupyter. If you want to install this extension, so just go here and Control Alt EX. So this is your, if you are not able to find out, you go here, extension, this is app. Here you want to Jupyter. So let's see, this is our Jupyter. You want to install Jupyter. This will installing, this is extension. We can install here Jupyter key map. So this is installed. Okay. And other things you want to install, BS Code, Jupyter, all this extension as per the requirement you can install. And here this is coming. You want to save that, control S, this is saved right now. And you want to material icon themes, so you can use. If you want to optional install the git, you can go inside the git and download. This is for the window, choose option. So here Windows 64, click here download 64. So git can be installed here. This is git we have now installed. So this is downloaded, and you want to install that git, you can install here. I am not going to install as of now, but you want to install, and then you go to here in extension view, go to extension, here you search git extension, GitHub Copilot modernization. This is already we have installed. Git graph you want to install, Git history you want to install, all these things you want to install. This extension used to Git graph and history. So if suppose you want to install this history, so the git history will install trust publisher and install. So I am just cancelling now. If you want to install like that, so use to extension inside the BS code. So that would be installed here. So all this installation process setup we have completed now, and we have given this test scenario. So here how to like that add and multiple. So this is our testing scenario is happened. Another we have written this one, another code basic and print hello world. This is two variables we want to result. So this is result we can display here. This is have a list, how to print the list. This is have a loop, for loop. So this will have the additional topic for explaining to you, because we plan to step by step uh, install to this to Python and Visual Studio. So today task is completed now. So next task will let you know how to define the variable and how to use data structure, how to use loop, and each and every concept we will step by step explain to you. So thank you watching to this video. I would like request to you like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.